Friends, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like or dislike. Friends, in this video I want to share with you how I marinate chicken barbecue, chicken thigh barbecue. It's more like a Middle East style. For this one I need chicken thigh, of course. I need chicken thigh. I get here like a almost 3 kilo of chicken thigh. I need a sweet paprika. I need a white pepper. I need a cumin powder. When I make for myself, I put cumin powder. Filipino don't really like cumin powder, but for me I like cumin powder. I also need a tomato sauce, like a Del Monte tomato sauce. I also need a little bit of lemon juice, I mean calamansi. Also some chili powder. I have here organic cayenne pepper. I need also black pepper. And I also need the salt. I have here Himalayan salt. So friends, let's start. Let's do it. Friends, we get a chicken thigh, we get a knife, and we open the chicken thigh till the bone. You see the bone? To see the bone. Why open till the bone? When you open till the bone, it's very easy to be barbecue, very easy to be cooked. We get other meat, do the same, see? Be very careful because the knife is very sharp, okay? Very gentle, don't be rush, very gentle. You get like that, you see where is the bone, see the bone here is, you do like that, cut. Because I try to barbecue before without this cut and don't get cooked through it. So Filipino people, they like to be dili hilaw, not, they like to be cooked brown. So see, can you see the bone now here? That's very important. Don't debone totally, because the bone keep the juice in the meat. Don't debone totally. Again, you get this way, you do like that, and now you can find the bone easy, very easy. You find the bone, see? Be very careful again. It's very easy to do with a small knife. See, like this small knife? Very easy to do it. If you have little meat here, it's not a problem. The most important is for you to, the thigh to be open, the bone to be open. That will help you to cook through and don't be, look at this, see? Again, very slow. You see the bone here? Look at this. Like that. The meat is already washed. Again, see, you see the bone here, you see the bone here. You go straight. You see both of the ends of the bone, so you just do like that. Like that, see? Be careful with the knife. Be very careful with the knife, okay? please. I please you, please be very careful. If you want to do chicken kebab, so you just do like that. You debone totally. I'll show you, because I use almost the same marinade for the chicken kebab. See, I debone totally. I totally debone the. See, I totally debone the chicken. That's for the, because I will make one stick of just 2 pieces of chicken kebab. So also this one here, very gentle, don't be rush, okay, like that. Get all the meat out from the bone, see, like that. Okay, now that the bone is clean, you get this small bone also. Okay, if you want, you can through the skin, but I like with skin, so I leave with the skin. So I will show one more how to debone the chicken for the chicken kebab. So see this bone here, this bone you need just with 2 fingers. Very easy to be removed. See, remove the bone, because when people know it's boneless, they don't pay attention to any bone, so they can break their tooth. So like that, you go this way, this side, okay. See, very gentle, okay. Don't be rush. You don't need any. You can use, of course, the chopping board, but I don't use it. But for you can use chopping board. If you are a beginner, you can use chopping board. See? That's it. Our bone is clean. Our meat is clean here. Finish. Now, friends, let's start to marinate. Let me wipe my hands. Wipe my hands. So now I will add like 200 grams of tomato sauce. I will add like 2 tablespoons of, see, 1 tablespoon. I'll put just 1.5. 1 tablespoon. I put one also 1 teaspoon. Okay, that's enough. I will also add this white pepper. I don't get any measurement just because I add this cumin powder. I add a little bit of paprika, like 1 teaspoon. Okay. I add a little cayenne pepper. If you don't like spicy, you don't need to add cayenne pepper. That's it. And I will add this lemon juice. That's it, finish. Now we get and we mix. You can mix. Normally I mix with my hands because that is my hands is clean. Let me put also black pepper. Not too much black pepper. Okay. I will be after. Now let's mix. If you want, you can add also toyo soy sauce, but it's up to you, it's optional. I don't add this one. I just like more to feel more the taste of the meat, not many spices, and so for me that's enough. Just paprika, white pepper, cumin powder, chili powder, black pepper, and lemon juice, salt, and of course tomato sauce. Friends, look at this. Now we are done. Let me get one. One Ziploc bag. Let me wipe my hand to don't make the Ziploc bag dirty. So now, to keep the Ziploc, the bag clean, you open, you remove it like that, and one by one, so don't make mess, okay? One by one. But if it's little messy, no problem, just clean after that, and that's it. Okay. See friends, look at this meat. Look at this beautiful. Now you get a spoon. You get a spoon and clean all this sauce, because that sauce is good. That will help us to marinate our meat. Even what I'm doing, I get little water like that, because like that, see? And you put all this water here. The meat will absorb and the meat will be very juicy. Okay. Now, friends, we close our bag. We close our bag. That's it, and we go now to refrigerate for 3 hours. Now it's 9:55, maybe 12 or 1 or 2 o'clock. I'll bring out from the ref and I will start to barbecue. The 3 hours normally I put for overnight, but today, because I need it today, so 3 to 4 hours I will marinate and I will just start to barbecue. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like or dislike. Friends, again, this was the video, was the how to marinate chicken barbecue, chicken thigh barbecue. See, I'll try to bring all the air out, because just open the end. Let me, one place. You bring all the air out. Now you close. That's it, friends. Look at this. Now all the meat is soaked in the marinade. Now I'll marinate very good, and after 3 hours or 4 hours I will show you again one more time how I barbecue this meat. Friends, thank you for watching again. May God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like or dislike. I also want to thank those who already subscribe. Guys, thank you for subscribing, and I also want to thank those who don't subscribe. Also thank you. I also want those who just view my videos. I want to thank all of us. Guys, may God bless you, all of you. You helped me a lot. So thank you very much. God bless you. Have a blessed day. See you next video. Bye.